Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a clean image and loading it into an AI-aware editor. This saves time and prevents artifacts. Once imported, make a duplicate layer so you always have the original to revert to. Next, generate or draw a precise mask around the clothing. Accuracy here determines realism. Use a soft edge for fabric seams and a harder edge where stitching stops. Make sure the tool you picked supports color mapping or hue saturation controls before moving on to recoloring. You now choose the target color by sampling 3 tones, highlight, midtone, shadow, so shading stays natural. Once selected, apply a color map or use a hue shift layer restricted to your mask. Set blending to color or overlay to keep texture. Then tweak saturation and luminance to match fabric reflectance. Matte materials need lower highlights. Shiny fabrics require brighter speculars. Make careful, incremental curve adjustments. This preserves folds and threads. When done, toggle visibility to compare before and after. You finish by refining edges and correcting any color bleed. Use a soft mask brush to restore natural transitions. Once satisfied, preview the result under multiple lighting presets or background colors so the shade reads correctly in context. Then flatten or export as sRGB for web and keep a lossless copy of layers for edits. If you hit problems, like banding or haloing, reopen the duplicate layer, reduce color layer opacity, or apply an edge-aware smoothing filter to the mask before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.